Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Pre Jym is probably one of the most talked about pre-workout supplements on the market, and for good reason, as it's formulated with a comprehensive blend of ingredients designed to enhance your gym performance, boost energy levels, and improve focus, making it a popular choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking to maximize their training sessions and achieve their fitness goals. Number 5. Legion Pulse Pre-Workout Supplement. Ready to elevate your workout? Experience a surge of energy and focus with our all-natural pre-workout formula. It's designed to help you push your limits like never before. Fuel your body with the best. This supplement is crafted with all-natural ingredients, ensuring you get a clean and effective boost without compromise. Taste the difference of natural sweetness. Feel the difference from the first sip. It enhances your energy levels and sharpens your mental focus, preparing you for peak performance. Conquer your toughest training sessions. Looking for a creatine-free option? We've got you covered. This formula provides powerful pre-workout benefits without the addition of creatine, catering to your specific needs. Packed with potent ingredients like beta-alanine and citrulline, it supports muscle endurance and blood flow. Alpha-GPC is also included to enhance cognitive function during your workout. Enjoy your pre-workout experience with a delicious fruit punch flavor. It's naturally sweetened for a refreshing taste that makes fueling up a pleasure. Get ready for a great tasting boost. What we like. This option is crafted with all natural ingredients and is free from creatine. It's naturally sweetened for a cleaner taste. If you're looking for a pre-workout that aligns with a more natural lifestyle and want to avoid creatine, this is a great choice for you. What people say. The energy boost from Legion Pulse is remarkable. Unlike other pre-workouts that rely on excessive caffeine, this supplement utilizes natural sources of energy, such as caffeine from green tea extract and theacrine. This provides me with a sustained and smooth energy lift, helping me power through even the most intense workouts without the dreaded crash afterward. The nitric oxide boosting properties of this pre-workout are impressive. The combination of L-citrulline and ornithine increases blood flow and pumps, enhancing overall workout performance and muscle endurance. It lists every ingredient, and exactly how much of it is in there. Many pre-workouts try to hide behind a proprietary blend. This pre-workout is the lotus. Number 4. Jacked Factory NITROSURGE Shred Pre-Workout. Are you ready to elevate your workout? This is your ultimate partner for intense training sessions. Experience an immediate surge of energy that powers you through every rep, feel the difference from the first use. Achieve instant strength gains and push your limits further than ever before. It's designed to help you perform at your peak. Maintain razor-sharp focus throughout your entire workout. Stay locked in and maximize your training efficiency. Get ready for powerful muscle pumps that enhance your physique and workout satisfaction. Feel the blood flow like never before. This formula acts as a potent nitric oxide booster. It helps improve blood flow for better nutrient delivery and performance. What we like. Experience instant strength gains and powerful pumps with this formula. It also sharpens your focus for intense workouts. If you prioritize immediate performance boosts and a laser-like mental state during your training sessions, this product is designed for you. What people say. This supplement provides a serious energy boost. I feel more awake and ready to tackle my workouts within minutes of taking it. One of the standout features is the mental clarity and focus it provides. I'm able to stay concentrated throughout my workout, which helps me push harder and get the most out of every session. The nitric oxide booster gives me incredible pumps. My muscles feel fuller and more vascular during and after workouts, which is a great feeling and motivates me to keep going. Number 3. Legion Pulse Pre-Workout Supplement. Are you ready to elevate your workout? Discover the power of natural energy and focus to push your limits. Experience a clean boost without the jitters or crash. This formula is designed to enhance your performance naturally. Enjoy the benefits of enhanced energy and focus without creatine. It's crafted to meet your specific training needs. Savor a delicious, naturally sweetened flavor that makes fueling up a pleasure. It's a refreshing way to prepare for your best performance. Powered by essential ingredients like beta-alanine and citrulline, it supports nitric oxide production for better blood flow and endurance. With alpha GPC included, it helps sharpen your mental focus and drive. Stay locked in and achieve your fitness goals. Enjoy this invigorating blue raz flavor, completely caffeine-free. It's the perfect pre-workout for any time of day. What we like. This choice offers a caffeine-free experience, making it ideal for late-day workouts or those sensitive to stimulants. It's made with all-natural ingredients and comes in a refreshing blue raz flavor. If you need a pre-workout to boost energy and focus without the jitters or sleep disruption, this is the perfect fit. What people say. Pre Jym is a great pre-workout that provides a good pump and energy. The taste is amazing and it mixes well with water. I love the ingredients in Pre Jym because they are all natural and effective. Number 2. Ambrosia Kinetic Strawberry Guava. Experience a new level of energy and focus with our organic pre-workout. It's designed to elevate your performance naturally. Fuel your workouts with the power of nature. This blend provides sustained energy without the jitters or crash. Sharpen your mental clarity and support muscle recovery. Our unique formula helps you perform at your best, both mentally and physically. Infused with beneficial mushrooms, this powder offers a natural boost. It's a superfood blend for clean, effective results. Enjoy the refreshing taste of strawberry guava. Get 24 servings of pure performance in every container. Choose a pre-workout that aligns with your health goals. It's the perfect way to prepare your body and mind for any challenge. What we like. This product is enhanced with mushrooms and nootropic superfoods for a unique blend. Its organic formula provides clean energy, focus, and aids in recovery. If you're interested in a pre-workout that goes beyond just energy and incorporates cognitive benefits and natural superfoods, consider this option. What people say. I really like the cleaner ingredients and 500 mg each of the 3 types of mushies. Plus the creatine since that isn't the funnest to take on its own. This gives me the energy I need to get my workout in and be productive throughout the day, ESP since I'm on my feet a lot. Not only did it give me the energy I needed to crush my workout, but it gave me the focus I needed throughout my day without any jitters or caffeine crash. Number 1. Cellucor C4 Ripped Sport Arctic Snow Cone. Experience the ultimate pre-workout boost with our powerful formula. Designed to enhance your energy and focus, it's your perfect training partner. Enjoy the refreshing taste of Arctic Snow Cone with every scoop. It's a delicious way to fuel your performance without any sugar. Train with confidence knowing this product is NSF certified for sport. It meets rigorous standards for safety and purity. This supplement provides 135 mg of caffeine to power your workouts and supports your weight loss goals. Get the energy you need to perform at your best. Each container offers 30 servings, ensuring you have enough fuel for your training regimen. Elevate your performance, 1 serving at a time. What we like. This option is NSF certified for sport, ensuring purity and safety. It's sugar-free and includes ingredients to support weight loss efforts. If you're an athlete looking for a trusted, certified pre-workout that also aids in your weight management goals, this is a solid contender. What people say. I can also see myself mixing this into my electrolytes or other drinks and can tell it would be good. All heavier weights instantly felt light, and I was able to blast through workouts to the point I actually began to see some vascularity with my muscle development. This pre-workout delivers a clean energy boost that gets me through my workouts without the jitters or crash. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.